Just adding a box of instant Jello mix right here into 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Ooh, this is going to be the best, creamiest, easiest summer dessert, you guys. Okay, right in there on top of that, we're gonna take 2 cups of cold milk. Nice and creamy and fresh and lemony. I love lemon for the summer, you guys. You wanna go ahead and you wanna mix all of that together until the Jello and that Cool Whip and the milk are nice, smoothly combined. Oh my goodness, this is looking smooth and creamy and it smells, and let me tell you what, tastes amazing, you guys. So you just wanna slide that over now. We're gonna grab ourselves our little baking dish here. Now you can see I'm just taking some ordinary graham crackers here and I'm lining the bottom of my baking dish. Easy peasy, just line those up. Here I think I'm going to actually just break some of these to cover the entire bottom. Nobody's gonna see it, it's fine, right? It's not that serious. Okay, now bring in that delicious mixture we just made and we are gonna carefully just pour about half of it right on top of these graham crackers. So once you have that all on top of there, you'll gently just start to spread it out. And it should be soft enough still where it's easier to spread. So that is really nice, you guys. As soon as that mixture is mixed up, you wanna start putting it on these graham crackers because it just makes it easy to spread and you can get it so evenly over the top, just like that. Now, I have some delicious blueberries. I said I wanna make a good summer dessert and I thought, oh, the lemon with these blueberries, and not only that, but using some fresh blueberries, we're gonna have this little burst of flavor and freshness inside, and I think it's just gonna come out so delicious. It's already looking fantastic. Now on top of that, you're gonna lay another layer of graham crackers. So we're just kind of layering up this lasagna styled cake, right? Oh gosh, maybe that's what's for dinner. I don't know, some Italian. But this kind of does, it makes me feel like a little creaminess going on here. I feel like Italian people, they like creamy stuff, right?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, I'm not, well, you're Italian, right, babe? What are you guys? You guys have some ethnic backgrounds out there? Tell me about it. I think I'm gonna need my spatula to scoop it out this time. I'm German and Hungarian, probably some Polish, but I don't know. What are you guys out there? We got a lot of different cultural things going on. Where are you guys from? What kind of food do you like to eat? Tell me all about it in the comments. How cool is that, right? Over the web, we connect with people all over the world. We don't really get that. A lot of other things that we do, right? A lot of times we're in our own place for a long time and we don't get out there as much. I mean, we get stuck by life. So look at this. We're all here together getting to share some delicious, fabulous recipes. Oh, what a gift. So I'm sprinkling some more blueberries right on top here, you guys. These are looking super fresh. Might just have to dig into some of these blueberries here in a second. And we're layering it right on top there. Put as many, as little as you want. Don't use them, I don't care, whatever you choose. So I got my last layer of graham crackers I'm gonna put here right on top, you guys. And just so you know, I used an entire box of graham crackers, give or take a couple of the squares. So you can just go ahead and grab yourself a box and you should be good to go if you're doing this in a 9 by 13 baking dish here. So as I finally get up settled here with my final layer of graham cracker, look at that, it looks fabulous. I'm gonna push it down just a little bit so those graham crackers sit right into all of that delicious pudding mixture we have. Look at how creamy that looks. I can see the blueberries popping out. I got a little bit on my finger, added bonus. All right, so what I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a couple hours. So it's gonna sit, it's gonna be ready to go after that. We have a couple more things to do. We wanna put a nice, delicious topping on here. So stick around because we're gonna seal the deal. Okay, we are looking good here, folks, moving right along. It sat for a little bit, so it's a little bit stiffened up. Now I have some delicious whipped topping. I chose the whipped because I feel like it will be easier to spread. So I'm just gonna put some of that right on top there. You guys know exactly where we're going with this. I don't know what you're gonna choose for your type of frosting, but I kind of figured that a traditional vanilla would go really nice with this lemon and this blueberry. So let's just get all of that out, and then you'll begin to just carefully smooth out, that frosting right on top of those graham crackers. We have successfully finished getting that frosting all over those graham crackers. Now look at those pieces of lemon. Oof, so good, so fresh, so beautiful, right? They look so pretty. So I'm just gonna get some slices of lemon and I'm just gonna stick them right on top here to just really bring out some of this summery feel, you guys. And then we're gonna bring back in those blueberries. I'm gonna just stick one right in the middle of the lemon because I just think that that looks so adorable. Look at that, and we got all those blueberries inside, don't you forget. Okay, I am satisfied with that. If you want to fancy up the top, let me know what you would do. I think it looks super cute. Now, if you are making this for yourself, I would suggest to let this sit for a couple more hours in the fridge, but because I'm antsy, I'm gonna dive right in because I wanna try the inside of this lemony goodness. I'm gonna scoop this piece up. Oh, this looks so good. All right, let's scoop that right out of there. Look at that, baby. Look at those layers. Oof, I see the blueberries. Now, when you let that sit, the graham crackers, they're gonna soften up and they're gonna be really delicious. But like I said, I don't wanna wait that long. I wanna dig in and I wanna see really how good this is, you guys. And you know what? The graham cracker already looks like it's softening up on the bottom. It's barely crispy. It's kind of more of that cakiness, and that's exactly what you want. Oh, the blueberries in with this lemon looks so good. I'm gonna take a huge bite. That's what I'm talking about, you guys. We got a light fluffiness going on with that lemon in there. The blueberry is such a great little added touch. The lemon on top, oh my gosh, it just smells amazing. It tastes even better, you guys. Tell me what you think about this easy recipe. No bake, but lots of fun, right? And I'm gonna scarf this sucker down. I'm gonna see you guys later. Enjoy.